start.
Good line.
Yeah, looked like it started down that right side. Great. Look out! Wow. What are the chances of that?
Did you see that?
Oh boy, that's gonna be a good story.
Check this out.
You bowled him over. Well, that's in cricket. You're out for a duck.
The cup go back to the right.
Interference. Egyptian geese. Full flat landing. We've got a replay of the landing. Here they are. Full flaps. Whoa, skidding to a halt.
Actually, let's go over to Gary Koch. I think.
Well, we have a new hazard at 17. Look at this. I believe that's the ball of Steve Lowry, and this seagull is. He wants to take it home for a souvenir.
Lowry and Cooley and Fable just laughing.
Well, I think Lowry's indicating to the bird he ought to move it the other direction, closer to the hole for him.
It's amazing a player would go to this length to train a bird to get it closer to the hole, Gary.
Well, obviously, Steve Lowry will be forced to move the ball back as near as possible to its location, since look at this. He's moved it all around the green. Now he fight. Whoop. Yep, we've got it. We have liftoff. Oh, no.
Does that count as an official ball in the water?
I don't know.
Look what our camera captured just a short time ago. A falcon or hawk or whatever it is developing an affection for one of our microphones. He is bound and determined to haul that thing off, but he just can't get it from the tethered spot where it's at. And look, he's mad. Look at the look on his face.
I think it's a red-tailed mouse, but doesn't taste that. Polyester doesn't taste that great.
That'll ruffle your feathers.
Get out of there. So Josh's caddy decided to dispatch of this duck. How about a little crunchy granola bar? There you go.
Excellent course management right there by the caddy.
Well, I get a little assist to get it to stop.
Look at this.
Roll it on up to the green.
Yeah, Monty say push it on further.
Uh-oh. He's taking off.
Catching for his birdie. 40 years old.
Got a birdie before he even caught it. It's a good sign. $78 players.
Growing up in Calcutta. Found his world of golf, 367th ranked player in the world, won the Panasonic Oaks.
Chesson Hadley is in the front left bunker, and he and his caddy, Josh Dickinson, were battling over here with these geese or ducks. And watch this guy. He just goes right after Chesson. I'm not taking any of that.
Nothing to gain by hitting more than the long iron. Just run out of fairway. Oh, how close the bird was to the ball, but luckily they didn't collide.
Had a go at it.
Checking it out and says, no, it's not tasty.
That's the strength of your game. It's an osprey, isn't it?
Look at that. Get up. Get in the air, old boy. Remember the osprey who couldn't take off? And what happens? Is that the 5-second rule there? Or what happens then? Look at that. A fan comes out and grabs the fish. Get thrown in the water. Wow. How about that?
I tell you, that osprey's not going to be happy now.
How about that? Oh, low fives and high fives all around.